Hi there, we're just going to do a short video looking at the alarm on the new small Paddington Bear miniature clocks. At the back here we have the on-off switch, the alarm set dial, the time set dial and the battery compartment. So I'll just first set the alarm time. It's this one. If I set that to 7 o'clock, that's pointing at 7, then I'll force the time round to 7 and turn the alarm on, and we'll be able to hear what the alarm sounds like. Round to 7. Here we go. It's a beep alarm. Okay. It's quite loud. So the bells are just for decoration, and it's a beep alarm. Cute. Turn that off. Off. And that's it. Done. Okay. Bye bye.